Today, let's draw a cute caterpillar together. Step 1. Draw one big bump for the head and draw 4 smaller bumps behind it. Draw a straight line at the bottom to finish the body. Draw a little circle and add a straight line on the head. Draw 2 small U-shapes for blinking eyes. And add a big happy smile. Draw little lines down for legs, and add oval shoes at the bottom. Last step, draw tiny little lines on the caterpillar's back. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.